Okay, first I will finish my breakfast. This is a good habit. This is delicious. A good breakfast gives me energy for the day.
Let's see which area of the forest should be inspected today. Everything is fine, right?
Let's see how the weather is in the forest today. I hope everything is fine.
It seems I should go on a patrol in the forest once. Something doesn't feel right.
Hi, officer! You were the best forest officer in the forest!
Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Oh my God, what happened to this poor rabbit?
I'll have to take you to the forest hospital quickly. Come on, my friend. I won't let anything happen to you. Don't worry, dear rabbit. We'll reach the forest hospital soon. Dr. Monkey will take good care of you.
Hello, Dr. Monkey, are you here? It's an emergency. Please come quickly. Thank God, Doctor, you are here. Please look at this poor injured rabbit. What happened to him? He is too scared to say anything. Please check him.
Don't worry, I will check him. Everything is going to be fine.
He will be fine soon, officer. Please take care of him for a few days. Sure, doctor. It is my moral responsibility. I will take care of him.
Take him, officer. You can go home now. He will be fine in 2 days. Thank you so much, Doctor. Your contribution to saving our forest will always be remembered. Have a good day.
Dear, we will reach home soon. I will take care of you. Our home is so beautiful. Okay, baby, we are finally home. Let's go inside.
Oh, my dear, please eat this. You will feel better soon.
Okay, my dear rabbit, now you should rest. It's late at night.
Thank you, officer. You are very kind.
Okay, it's too late. Tomorrow I have more work. Now I should sleep.